again. Here we are. Look at this water. Look at this water. Nice and clear. Even the birds are here. There she is. My other half. The bad one. I'm the good one. I'm the sweet one. The Moscow simply follow me anyways. Okay, so we're in La Paz. In all seriousness, we're in La Paz. I keep complaining my ass hurts so much, it's not even funny. I'm ready to just take that seat off the motorcycle and just throw it out like a frisbee. I thought that by now I have a callo in my butt, but no, not yet. Oh, is this La Paz? Is this what represents La Paz? Maybe? I don't know. Hey Miguelon, I've seen so many Toyota trucks, so many taco trucks, not even funny, man. You will have no problem over here at all. How can they afford this stuff? They're expensive, I cannot even buy one over there. La Paz. There you go. Oh, here's something. La Casa del Artesano. I want to find some place where I can snacks bar over there.
Seafood over there.
Seafood, vamos? Let's go. Just don't get run over. Vamos a cruzar aquí the little crosswalk. Hello. It's what, about 82 degrees, Chelis?
Yeah.
82 Fahrenheit. I don't know how much it's, or how many Celsius. Yeah, over there. Vamos por allá si quieres.
No. No, thank you.
Seafood, tacos and everything, mira. Vamos a ver qué hay ahí. There's a biker right there. Seafood and tacos. Okay, hopefully they have some good seafood. Okay, bye.